Are now searching for a cause to an inferno at a gun shop in Englewood. Happened earlier this morning. The Denver Fire Department posted these pictures of the intense fire. Now, it happened at the Shootist gun range on South Galapago, not far from Santa Fe Drive. Dylan Thomas live there tonight for us. Talk a little more about this. And Dylan, the owner says all of this is pretty hard to accept.
You know, understandably so, given the fact that his entire building, all of his merchandise and more, was a complete loss in this inferno. Staff tells me this place served as a second home for many, and now they're at a complete loss for words and heartbroken after seeing the rubble behind me.
Oh my God, it looked like an infernal fire at the pistol range.
On a frigid October morning, flames hot enough to melt billboards rose to the sky.
Business was completely engulfed in flames.
Englewood's Shootist gun range near Dartmouth and Santa Fe, the victim of a massive fire.
It is a total loss.
The gun range and store neighbored by longtime residents. Barbara Archuleta telling CBS 4 she was worried her home of 41 years was next.
I was worried that my house was going to catch on fire.
The fire broke out around 4 Thursday morning. Given the nature of what was inside, thousands of rounds of ammo and firearms.
We evacuated folks on both sides of the business, and rather quickly you're dealing with a fire and ammunition inside the business.
Something that spiked Archuleta's concerns as well.
The ammunition going off, you know, it's just horrible.
While police say at this time it appears no ammunition discharged, they say it isn't quite clear what caused the blaze.
This will take some time. It's not something that's going to be wrapped up fairly quickly.
As firefighters took down a charred flag, staff and the owner stood nearby. The owner telling CBS 4 this fire is devastating, but has also brought out the incredible support from the community. Now, as you can see right behind me, police remain on scene as they continue this investigation. Arson investigators were on scene earlier today. Once again, they do not know the cause at this time, but we are told they do believe that there was nobody inside when that fire sparked. Live in Englewood, Dylan Thomas, covering Colorado First.
Dylan, thank you.